All right, let's talk about how to check our audio settings when we're in a Zoom call. So you're in the middle of a Zoom call. First of all, you want to double check down in the lower left-hand corner, which it's there. Um, you want to check to see what you are using as your microphone and what you are using as your speaker. So in this case, I have a headset on. So I want to have my microphone, my headset, and I want to have my speaker in my headphones. If you're not using a microphone, you just have headphones on, then probably your microphone is like the system microphone. So the like internal microphone, the built-in one. Um, unless you are using something separate. So keep that in mind that your microphone and your headsets are not necessarily the same because your microphone is your input and then your headset is your output. The same thing goes on with your video as well. So you can also adjust if you have more than one video. That would be a thing too, but usually we're just using the built-in one on our Chromebook. So for your audio settings, once you know that you have the right microphone and the right headset selected, you need to double check and make sure that it's working correctly. If you think you're having issues or someone tells you you're having issues, you can actually go to test speaker and microphone and you'll be able to hear a ringtone. In my case, I can hear it in my headset. So if I want to double check my other settings, you can actually change if you have more than one speaker, you can change that in there, but it defaults to what you have it set to. So I'm going to say yes, I hear a ringtone. And then right now you can speak and pause and it will replay for you and you can actually hear how it sounds. Once you say yes, you finish. Now, if you are listening back and you realize like, oh, that's really low, my microphone volume, you can go to your audio settings and in your audio settings here, you can see that you can actually adjust your input volume. You can adjust your output volume on your speakers, but there are a little other, like normally the microphone volume is set to automatically and there's like a background noise suppression and things like that. So if you need to mess with any of those other like smaller settings, normally people don't have to mess with them, but if you're getting issues that there are problems, then that's something that you want to check. So hopefully that helps you make your Zoom calls sound a lot better. Thanks.